How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to another trade recap. Today we managed to take a win. What day is it today? I can't even remember what day it is today of the journey to profitability, but yeah, let's just get straight into it. So GBP JPY, as I said last video, I made the switch back to Forex. My bias was bullish. I was bearish after if we sweep out these highs, because this is a very key area of liquidity right here. These highs right here, they're session highs and they are 4-hour highs. On the 1 hour, we just had the same move up, and also after that move up I wanted to see a retrace coming back down, but we did break structure on the 1 hour as well after, obviously. So yeah, my bias was bullish until we reached these, what's it called, highs. My bias was bullish because on the 1 hour we had these fair value gaps as well. So what I was thinking, it was either going to be we come down here, fill in this fair value gap and then target these highs, or we're going to sweep out those highs and target, you know, down here these fair value gaps and the lows. So today, for the first ever time actually, I didn't have 2 take profits, I only had 1. So yeah, I don't know why I put this there. I only had 1 take profit today. Now getting into it, so market opened, we made the move down like here. It got really close to this fair value gap, but I'm on the 15-minute. Here we got really close down to this fair value gap, but we didn't manage to fill it in. We started going up. Once we went up, we swept out this hourly high, and we swept out I can't remember what session it was. Let me just double check. Oh, is it that far back? Yeah, it's pretty far. What session high was that? It was a London session high. Perfect. So we swept out. Fucking hell, bro, where is this? There we go. So we swept out a London session high. From there on, I waited for a 5-minute break of structure or an inverse fair value gap. We inversed this fair value gap right here because price disrespected this, so a candle closed below it. I don't know why I'm struggling to talk today, but yeah. So we disrespected that fair value gap. We formed another candle which gave us a bearish fair value gap. We filled it in here. And then I went on to the 1 minute. I know on the 1 minute we disrespected it, but because it's a 5-minute fair value gap, doesn't matter. We consolidated a bit here, and then we broke structure right here. So with this candle, once we broke structure with that candle, I entered around there. By the time I entered it it was over here, so I put my thing there. So I entered right there. Stop loss was above this high. Why? I know I took the trade off the fair value gap, but we also filled in equilibrium as well. That's why I was like, maybe price will disrespect the fair value gap and just play off equilibrium. That's why I put it above that high, because of equilibrium. And price did disrespect this fair value gap by a little bit, but we still managed to end up going down. Put it above that high. Take profit was down at these 15-minute lows. It wasn't really a 15-minute low, but you know, this lowest point here, I was gonna put it down at this 1 hour fair value gap, but I don't know, man. I just didn't. If I did, it would have still got hit anyway. It doesn't really matter. We would have just made a bit extra. Price moved absolutely shit like throughout this whole thing, just consolidation. And then right here, it came up here. Thank God I didn't move my stop loss to break even. Now today it felt really weird because when I saw, as soon as I entered, when I saw price going up, I had already set my stop loss and take profit. I knew I was only going to have 1 take profit. I was like, fuck it, man. I'm closing the chart. I'm just going to let it run. Every time I checked, and then when I checked, it was down here, closed it, checked again, it was going up. I saw this. I was like, fucking hell. And then I checked. Last time I checked, it was all the way down here. I even turned off my notifications so I don't get trade lock or notifications as well. Yeah, today was weird. My psychology was getting fucked left, right, and center. But yeah, guys, we made around 2% today, which is good. And yeah, man, we're back to Forex. I don't know what Nasdaq's saying because of, you guys know, the war and stuff. I don't know what's going on with that, but so Nasdaq was around here. Yeah, it didn't really move too much during London, but yeah. Oh damn, this could have been a really good trade to take during New York. So we could have. Wait, let me just mark out. I know this is kind of getting off topic because I showed my thing, but I like doing this, you know. I like checking the trades that I could have took on other pairs. Now I was looking at USD JPY during London session. I didn't delete it. I don't know why it's not here, but I saw that we had swept out a high or filled in a fair value gap or something. I can't remember. It should refresh in a bit. I don't know why it's doing this. Let me just refresh it real quick. Because I remember I didn't like. Yeah, look, it's like the stuff just gets deleted. I'm pretty sure I didn't delete that. Yeah, anyways, so yeah, so Nasdaq. Yeah, see, look, it's even removed my drawing as well. I don't know why it's doing it, but yeah. So 230 to what was it? 330. So we swept out that 1 hour high. Did we sweep out on S&P? No, look, bruv, this would have been a perfect trade, like perfect trade during New York session. So we swept out that. We move on to the 1 minute. When did we invest? So look, because like yes, we invest this fair value gap, but we still, this whole thing is basically a fair value gap. So we disrespected that all the way here. And where did we actually, you know, get like a conference or something? I'm trying to see, what is that? Is that low? Yeah, that is. Okay, so did we touch equilibrium? That. Okay, yeah, so we touched equilibrium there. We got buying power out of it here, so we could have entered there. Stops below here, and we could have just targeted previous areas of liquidity. So we could have just probably targeted up there, which is probably what London session highs. Okay, so yeah, we would have probably targeted up there London session highs, and we would have hit 1 to 2.3 during New York session though. Yeah, guys. So I don't know why I'm so tired. I'm on like 5 hours of sleep. Yeah, I just wanted to show you guys this. Oh, there we go. Okay, yep. So yeah, okay. So this played out as well. So I saw this USD JPY moves really well as well. You know what? Any JPY pair moves really well during London session. This was a 3.5, 1 to 3.5. This was a very good trade as well. So yeah, we filled in this 1 hour fair value gap, and then we came down for this 5 hour fair value gap, put it down below there, and take profit at session highs a bit far away. Yeah, so we could have took this trade as well. This is a very good trade. And yeah, guys, yeah, I know I've talked too much. Normally I just show the trade and end it, but yeah, guys, that's about it. Yeah, I'll see you guys next time I trade. Take care.